First thing to look at in this question, I think, is to like when we times number, I mean, we've got the same starting number here throughout. When we times by a decimal, it's going to get smaller. So Z is going to be smaller than whatever 0.6 times 0.5 was, whereas Y is going to be bigger because when you divide by a decimal, the number gets bigger. Um, so I know that Z is going to be smaller than y. I just don't know then where x is going to go. Actually, is x going to go here, here, or here? By the way, at the moment I am working in ascending order. It just feels a bit more natural to do that, smallest to biggest. But in the final answer, we have to do it in descending. So I will bring that in at the end. Right, I'm going to have to do a calculation. There's nothing I can do really. So the next thing is to, like, let's work out x. 0.6 times 0.5 is exactly the same as a half of 0.6, which is 0.3. And if I'm adding 0.4, I get 0.7. Over here, I'm going to have 0.3, and then I'm going to times it by 0.4, and that is equal to 0.12. You can change it to 3 times 4 if you want. Just realize you have to divide by 10 afterwards, and then divide by 10 again. So it's 12 over 100, 0.12. So now, yep, I've got that Z is less than X, so it's definitely going to be not going to be there. But where is it? Is it bigger than Y or smaller than Y? Let's find out. So for Y, this time I got 0.3 divided by 0.4. That is the same as 3 divided by 4, which is 0.75. If you don't know that off the top of your head, and it is one to learn, then times top and bottom by 25 to get it over 100, it's 75 over 100. That's how you can change fractions to decimals, make it over 10, or in this case, we have to do 100 because it's a bit harder to get it over 10. So 0.75, so that is going to be the largest one, and therefore it's going to look like this. This is in ascending order though, so in descending order, it's going to be Y, X, Z. And there we go, it's going to be D. Okay, well done.